Very funny, haha. Hey everyone, welcome back. So apparently there's a lot of funnies on TikTok. So today we're gonna be watching some TikToks that my editors have gathered for me. Let's hope that they are funny, because if they are not, you're not gonna be seeing this video and I'm gonna be very, very sad. Now smash that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below. And wait, before we get started, my merch is finally available on my website today for pre-order, because I just can't wait anymore. I've been talking about it for so long, but it just took a long time to get everything ready, and it's ready for pre-order. So it's gonna take some time to ship to you since it's a pre-order, so please be patient. So I have 4 colors, 17 unique designs. So I have jumpers, which is crew necks, crop tops, tanks, the one I'm wearing right now, shorts, and joggers. It's a limited drop, so get it while you can, because when it's gone, it's gone. It's gone forever. So please get it if you want it. Okay, let's watch some TikToks. What most online workout videos look like.
Guys, here's a quick 5-minute workout that you can do anywhere. It's no body weight, so just follow along in your own time. It's really easy, anyone can do it.
Uh-oh. What the fuck, man?
This next one is just going to be simple clap push-ups. Easy.
So easy. Wow.
Now I'm just going to move on some legs and then we're done.
Yeah, that's what I do at home, guys. That's what I do. Ian, the fitness goat. Yeah, you're the greatest of all time, but greatest after Chloe. I do it daily. It's so easy. This video reminds me that I gotta work on my push-up claps a little bit more, because I've been slacking a little bit and I'm getting a little bit weaker, so I gotta work harder. Next.
Hey, I'm here to educate you today on how health food works. The harder it is to pronounce, the healthier it is for you. For instance, if it's chocolate, it's bad. If it's cacao, it's good. If it's ice cream, it's bad. If it's acai, it's good. And last but not least, if it's rice, it's bad. But if it's quinoa, it's good. These last two are actually so difficult to pronounce that they're actually considered superfoods. I hope this helps you, fat piece of shit.
That was actually quite funny. So freaking true. Let's think of other examples. White flour, bad. Buckwheat flour, good. What else? Cereals, bad. Granola, good. Okay, I think that's enough examples. Okay, next.
Did you know that if you eat well and you exercise and you sleep well and you drink a lot of water, you still die?
What? True, but you live longer by eating healthier and be healthier. And also by watching the ads. Yeah, that's gonna help.
First thing you're gonna wanna do is put in a scoop of protein.
It's Jack
Then you're gonna wanna add
Films.
about a cup of almond milk to the mix. Then you're gonna add some protein, and then I usually throw in a whole banana. Then we're gonna add some protein. Now what I like to do, just for a little bit of taste, is add some protein. Then I usually add 1/2 of protein. Now of course it wouldn't really be a shake without some ice cubes. So we're gonna add some protein, take some ice cubes, dip them in protein, throw them in the mix, then add some protein, and then, and only then, can you add some protein and blend. Now while you guys weren't looking, I actually went back and added some.
Oh my goodness. That was actually really funny. My life is a lie. I've been doing it all wrong the entire time. Jack Films, everyone. The real fitfluencer here. Okay? That was so good.
Granny?
Yeah.
Do you want some of this pre-workout? It'll make you walk to get the mail like twice as fast. Okay. It's really good for you.
A
Yeah,
few
it's really
moments
good.
later.
Hey, Granny! Whoa, go Granny! That sounded like a zombie walk.
You're meaning to tell me you did all of that on pre-workout?
That stuff sucks. I just did cocaine.
What a plot twist! Bad Granny, no drugs. Bad Granny, bad. Do not do drugs, guys.
You guys, I am so secondhand embarrassed for myself right now. I just discovered something. This is the first time I've worked out without headphones in a super long time because they died. I've been doing this move for so long, not realizing because I had my headphones in, that it's making this sound.
Oh god, you guys know about this. That's the reason why live stream can be a little bit awkward sometimes, because you guys can hear my back fart, and then there's spiders and there's bugs on the floor. Like, it's just, where the hell is the spider? Please don't bite me. Looking at it's not that pretty. It's not always pretty, but it's good for the body.
For our first exercise, we're gonna do some squats. Now, if you don't have any weights, just go ahead and lift with all of that emotional baggage. Ready? Let's go. You've never become what you wanted to be. You're still not over your ex. Your parents are disappointed. How's that 5-year plan coming? You only eat because you're bored. That college degree means nothing to you. Bees are dying.
Bees are dying. What? Teddy! Emotional baggage workout. That's really creative. TikTok's giving me a lot of ideas. My next workout video is gonna be so creative. It's gonna be the best.
Chloeting is a fake influencer. Engaging in your car won't fix your depression. You're not even good at doing the workouts. What the fuck?
Me pooping after late day.
Don't take it the wrong.
Okay. I used to train so hard that I used to feel like that. You don't have to go too hard to the point that you hurt yourself so much. Doesn't have to be this way. It just has to be a little bit sore. Doesn't have to be unbearable.
Nailed it.
That was quite funny. Watching someone fail is always funny. Yeah, this is the reason why I don't face the camera sometimes, because it's just embarrassing. Like, I don't want you guys to see my weird, struggling faces, because there's a lot of weird faces that I make. I just know. I just gotta face away. Just face away from the camera. I'm just gonna start making videos like this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Chloe. How's that? How's that, guys? Is that better? What's gonna happen? Okay, that's so gonna be me if I do TikToks, and that's the reason why I don't do them. I know I'll get into some sort of accident. It's not worth it. I don't want to hurt myself. When you think you finish your workout, oh man, don't lie to me. I know some of you guys have been skipping your warm-ups and cool-downs. Do them. It's important to avoid injuries and just to be relaxed after you finish your workout. The cool-down's really relaxing.
This is a health tip that actually works. If you drink a gallon of water every day, you won't have time for other people's BS because you'll be too busy peeing.
I guess this is the health tip that actually works. I guess that's a lot of wisdom there. Very true. Drink a gallon of water a day then, you guys. Me feeling confident while eating healthy and having a steady workout routine.
Got an impossible whopper because it should be impossible to look this good. When is it my turn to be happy?
My god, this is so relatable because every time, a couple of days before my period, I get so bloated. It just feels miserable. I actually hate having periods, man. Seriously, guys have no idea what we go through every month. You know, the bloating, the cramps, the headaches, just feeling lethargic, weak. Like, I can't even walk sometimes because my legs get so weak. I just don't feel like my legs belong to me. They just feel extremely weak. So I basically can't feel my workouts while having my period because, well, I'll be so bloated. And also on top of that, I have really bad ovulation pain and bloat. So that's like 10 days downtime every month. It's really, really shitty. Oh, I like twerk jerks. Love that. Not gonna lie though, froggies look like a pretty good exercise. It's almost like a plank hop right on a treadmill. It's pretty much the same exercise. And I think natural birth looks like a pretty good exercise for your legs. Yeah, twerk jerks, you guys. I need a Smith machine. I need to do this. This looks like a good glute exercise. Kinda like that one. Okay, next. I don't think people think like that anymore. People used to think that you get really buffed. Like women think that they will get really buffed when they lift weights. When you lift weights, you're not gonna just get big like overnight or over a year. Like it takes time, and it's actually very difficult to get really big. Just ask the gym guys like how difficult it is to grow muscles. It's not easy. Building muscles is not easy because you gotta progress in terms of your weights. You gotta eat more because you gotta be in calorie surplus. You gotta be consistent. You gotta progress over time because that's how you grow muscle. It's not easy actually. Very difficult. 81 years old. Okay. She's strong. Wow, she's doing the 2 weeks abs, you guys. When I'm 81 years old, I'm gonna still be posting workout videos. I pinky promise you guys that I'm still gonna be posting workout videos when I'm 81. It might be a VR or AR by then, and I'll be in your living room. I'll be working out with you. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these TikToks, and don't forget to check out my store at chloeting.com for my merch. It's available for pre-order today, so check it out. And also don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Bye, bye, bye.